The healthcare field in health sciences is absolutely booming right now.
It sure is, George. And that's one thing I really love about our Bachelor's of Science and Health Science degree. So this is just a great foundational degree for any student wanting to get into the healthcare industry. Within our program, we have several different tracks that students can choose from to specialize a little bit. So popular ones are healthcare leadership and management, psychology, and organizational dynamics. But overall, this is just a really well-rounded degree. And what I love about it is that it helps students develop the competencies they're going to need to advance their careers in really any area of healthcare that they're personally interested in going into.
So it sounds really evidence-based and very career-based, I guess is a better term. So what would
Mhm.
some of the courses look like that students would take?
Yeah, good question. So the kind of the first foundational courses in this degree program are our lab sciences, but the focus is really on human biology, expanding the knowledge base there, starting with cell biology, molecular genetics, immunology, anatomy, and physiology. And so from there, we expand from that basic science foundation into some of the more specialized health science courses.
Wow, so this is really interesting. So everybody's looking for value in a
Mhm.
degree right now,
Yeah.
and cost is a big part of it. So is the program affordable or is it out of reach?
Yeah, it really is affordable, and that's so important because we all want to go into our first career steps set up in the best way we possibly can. So this program, the cost per credit hour is $515. So students will find that's just below the average of other high quality BSHS programs being offered. So I'm really excited about that too, just so we're able to offer something that's such high quality, and yet we can still maintain that affordability.
That's really the key, that quality, because once they're done, they have to do something with it. What sort of pathway would students take?
Yeah, so those scientific laboratory skills, they're really transferable to both public and private clinical settings. So a lot of our students go into some sort of clinical setting. The BSHS is also a great stepping stone for students looking to go to graduate school. It sets students up for lots of different master's degree programs to continue to specialize. So I know that some of my former students that I'm in touch with work in hospitals, clinics, public health institutions, and most of those students, again, just really have a passion for helping others. So it's really fun to see them in those settings. So lots of my former students have completed this program who are already working a little bit in the field, but students who are already working have also completed this degree because they want to gain promotions, they want to further develop their management and leadership skills, or they want to get ready to go to grad school. And then also I have a fair amount of students who are really interested in this program because it sets students up to apply to nursing schools. So again, check the requirements if you have a very specific program in mind that you want to apply to. But in general, it is a good prep program for nursing programs as well.
Wow, so it sounds really well-rounded. Depends on where you want to go, where you want to take it, I would imagine.
Exactly, exactly. If you're interested in the healthcare industry at all, this program is really going to open some doors for you and set you up well and give you a really strong foundation.
Fantastic. So any last summary comments or comments to someone thinking about going into this program?
I think I would just say, the students that I've worked with who've been through the program are really satisfied and have really gotten some amazing career opportunities helping others and really digging into health sciences. So I think it'll set you up well.
Well, thank you, Dr. Vance. And that is the
All right.
BSHS program at Los Angeles Pacific University.